This is the Canada AD motorhome. It is 7.5 meters in length. In height, it is 306, and it has a width of 234. Inside, we have sleeping for 6 people. So 2 of those people can go up there, and they access via this ladder. Here we have a dining area, and here this will also convert to a bed. Next to that there is a freezer, a fridge, freeway, means operated by gas, and storage above it, and above that there's place for a room for a television. Here we have the electrical control, and down here we have a kitchen, 3 burners, a huge amount of preparation area for making food, and a sink with a domestic drainage inside. Here below, stacks of storage, and there's also a very nice large wardrobe as well, which currently has some of the pieces for making the bed. The boiler can be found in the storage cabinet there, and here we have access to the garage. At the back we have a widthwise bed with reading lights, and there above, I suppose, the 2 shelves, and which could be used for storage, and there's a storage compartment there at the back. 2 windows, one at the back and one at the side, plus a roof window as well. This part here, this is for use by the ladder. Ladder goes in there, and then you climb up the ladder into bed. Through here we have the shower and the washroom, which, as you can see, comes with a large angled mirror as well. The shower tray is quite deep. Now, I said I'd do that in under 3 minutes. I think that's gonna be successful, but there is a longer video with more details in it should you want to see that. There should also be more details in the description below. So for the moment, thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Mulheim, Ruhr in Germany.